Okay. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining me today. I am Clarissa Rodriguez, Chair of the New York State Workers' Compensation Board. Today's full board meeting is being webcast live for members of the public, so welcome. It is also facilitated by an American Sign Language interpreter. Welcome, interpreter. I now have the honor of calling the 1035th meeting of the full board to order. Madam Secretary, will you please call attendance?
Vice Chair Foster?
Here.
Board Member Higgins?
Here.
Board Member Williams?
Here.
Board Member Hall?
Here.
Board Member Crane?
Here.
Board Member Stasko?
Here.
Board Member Tavares?
Here.
Board Member Caginelli?
Here.
Board Member Delan?
Yeah.
Board Member Delgado?
Here.
And Board Member Perez.
Here.
Board Member Loban is absent today, is requested to be absent today.
Okay, thank you, Madam Secretary. Board members, may I please have a motion to accept the absence of Board Member Loban?
Yes, Board Chair, Board Member Mark Higgins, I move that we accept the absence of Board Member Loban.
Thank you, Board Member Higgins. Is there a second?
Second.
Okay. Thank you, Board Member Delan. Is there any opposition to the motion? Okay, hearing no opposition, board members, all in favor, please say aye.
Aye.
All opposed? Hearing none, that motion is passed. Thank you. Approval of the July 16th, 2024 meeting minutes. Board members, you've all received a copy of the July 16th, 2024 meeting minutes for your review. Are there any questions or need for a discussion? Okay, hearing none, is there a motion to accept the board meeting minutes for July?
Yes, Madam Chair, this is Board Member Hull, and I move to accept the meeting minutes.
Thank you, Board Member Hull. Is there a second?
Yes,
Yes.
Madam Chair, this is Board Member Caginelli, and I second that motion.
Thank you, Board Member Caginelli, for that second. Is there any opposition to the motion? Okay, hearing none. Board members, all in favor, please say aye.
Aye.
All opposed? Okay, I am also a yes. That motion is passed. Thank you. Office of General Counsel's Departmental Report. General Counsel Heather McMaster will now present the Office of General Counsel's Departmental Reports for July and August.
Thank you, Madam Chair, Madam Vice Chair, members of the board. In July of 2024, in the Office of General Counsel, the Adjudication Division held 17,107 hearings. They resolved 10,927 cases at hearing and issued 297 reserved decisions. The Adjudication Division also finalized 1,616 waiver agreements. In the Administrative Review Division, there were 1,074 applications received, 790 were processed, and there are currently 7,707 pending. And in August of 2024, in the Office of General Counsel, the Adjudication Division held 16,566 hearings, resolved 10,570 cases at hearing, and issued 316 reserved decisions. They also finalized 1,561 waiver agreements. And in the Administrative Review Division, there were 956 applications received, 909 were processed, and there are currently 7,754 applications pending. May I go back to the July of 2024? I'm sorry, I overlooked the Legal Affairs Division. In July of 2024, the Legal Affairs Division received 84 full board review applications. They processed 88, and there are currently 198 applications pending. And in August of 2024, Legal Affairs received 73 full board review applications, 93 applications, and they currently have an inventory of 178 applications.
Okay. Thank you so much, Heather. Board members, are there any questions or need for discussion? Okay, may I please have a motion to accept the Office of General Counsel's Departmental Reports for July and August?
Motion to accept.
Okay, thank
Board
you.
Member Crane.
Thank you, Board Member Crane, for that motion. Is there a second?
Board Member Hull, I second it.
Okay.
You got two seconds.
We have two.
Second and
I will,
third.
Board Member Williams, thank you for that second. Is there any opposition for the motion? To the motion, no. All right, board members, all in favor, please say aye. All opposed? Okay, I am also a yes, that motion is passed. Thank you, board members. Agenda item 3, license applications. Associate Attorney Heather Justice will now present the licensing applications for the prior month.
Good morning, Madam Chair, Madam Vice Chair, board members, and colleagues. You have before you the recommendations from the assigned board panel regarding the licensing applications listed in Part 3 of today's agenda. Section 24A, Mitchell Schuman, 3 years. Section 53B, Related Risk and Alera Insurance Agency, LLC. New qualifying officer Bernard Goldman, denied. Section 53D, Veritas Administrators 2, LLC. Qualifying officer Gary Limoncelli, Esquire, 3 years. I present these recommendations to the board for your consideration.
Okay, thank you so much, Heather. Board members, are there any questions or need for discussion? Okay, hearing none, may I please have a motion to accept the recommendations of the board panels as described?
I move to accept the recommendations. Board Member Perez.
Thank you, Board Member Perez. Is there a second?
Board Member Delgado, I second.
Thank you, Board Member Delgado. Is there any opposition to the motion? Okay, board members hearing no opposition, all in favor, please say aye.
Aye.
All opposed? I am also a yes, that motion is passed. Thank you. There are no legal appeals nor mandatory full board review cases to discuss this month. So we're moving on to our discretionary full board reviews. And I now turn this portion of the agenda over to Vice Chair Frida Foster.
Thank you, Madam Chair. For the cases listed in item 6 on your agenda, it's been recommended that full board review be granted. Those cases are 6A, New York City Transit Authority, and 6B, matter of Cayuga County Sheriff's Office. I move to refer the cases back to the respective panels for further consideration.
Thank you, Vice Chair Foster. Is there a second?
This is Board Member Linda Hall, and I second.
Thank you,
That
Board
motion.
Member Holt, for that second. Are there any recusals from either of these matters? Okay, is there any opposition to the motion? Okay, hearing no opposition, board members, all in favor, please say aye.
Aye.
Thank you. All opposed? I am also a yes, that motion is passed. Thank you, board members. Is there any other business before adjourning today's meeting? Okay, hearing none, may I please have a motion to adjourn today's meeting?
This is Pam Canginelli. Madam Chair, I move that we adjourn the meeting.
Thank you. Is there a second?
I
Yes, Madam Chair, I second the motion.
Okay, thank you, Board Member Stasko. Board members, all in favor? Is there any opposition, sorry, to the motion?
No.
Yes, I would hope not, but, all right. Board members, all in favor, please say aye.
Aye.
Okay, thank you. All opposed? Hearing no opposition, that motion is passed. Meeting adjourned. Thank you, board members. Enjoy the rest of your afternoon.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.